What will happen to your body if you start eating oats every day? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, they say. So corny, isn't it? However, nutritionists and doctors haven't stopped recommending oatmeal in the morning for breakfast. And you know, it works. For example, it can help lower the risk of heart disease. A bowl function presents you with 8 reasons to start eating oats every day. Oats should be high quality, environmentally friendly, and free of impurities and foreign particles. To diversify the taste of oatmeal, add fresh fruits, nuts, cinnamon, cream, or low-fat yogurt to the mixture. 1. You'll get better skin. Oatmeal is ideal for the treatment of inflammatory conditions, like eczema or irritation, and also promotes healthy skin. The unique properties of oatmeal stem from the presence of a wide variety of vitamins and trace elements in its composition. Zinc helps to cleanse the skin and remove toxins and other harmful compounds. It also effectively narrows the pores and has a rejuvenating effect. Iron is one of the most important elements for the nutrition and saturation of moisture in skin cells. Manganese removes swelling and inflammation, and also promotes rapid healing of the skin after wounds, bruises, burns, and other micro-injuries. Magnesium normalizes blood circulation and provides a marked renewal of skin cells. 2. Your muscles will receive more protein. 1 serving or about 8 tablespoons of oatmeal gives your body 15% of the recommended daily amount of protein. Don't forget about vitamin E, antioxidants, and glutamine, which help to regenerate muscle fibers faster. 3. High levels of antioxidants. Oats are rich in antioxidants, one of them being avenanthramides, which help with itching, inflammation, and blood pressure. They contains beta-glucan, which lowers blood sugar. Their effect is enhanced with the presence of vitamin C. It's not completely random that breakfast combines orange juice with oatmeal. 4. You'll be full of energy. Oatmeal is rich in carbohydrates and provides more energy for the body. It's recommended to consume a slightly dry oat, as you'll feel satisfied for a longer time, avoiding the need for other foods. 5. You'll lose weight. Daily consumption of oatmeal helps improve metabolism, accelerating weight loss. Breakfast based on oatmeal over a long time period allows us to refrain from excess calorie intake. The slow carbohydrates contained in it allow us to regulate appetite and anxiety and maintain normal blood sugar levels. The nutrients in it not only accelerate our metabolism, but also prevent the accumulation of fat and toxins in the body, and prevent us from overeating. 6. Cholesterol will decrease. Oats contain a fiber called beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol in the body. Due to the linoleic acid and soluble fiber contained in the oatmeal, it helps to lower the level of triglycerides and bad cholesterol in the blood. These nutrients clean the remains of fat from the walls of the arteries and protect our body from the development of such serious diseases as atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. 7. You'll lower your risk of heart disease. Oats are rich in good healthy fats and support the heart cells and the circulatory system. Thanks to the antioxidants present in oatmeal, the probability of damage to the walls of the blood vessels by free radicals sticking is reduced. 8. You'll get rid of digestive problems. Experts recommend eating fiber daily, anywhere 25 to 35 grams, since this is ideal for good digestion. Just a small portion of oats contains 1/5 of the recommended daily fiber intake. That's why oatmeal is perfect for your daily routine, not to mention that the fibers will help you maintain the proper functioning of your intestines and, thus, prevent you from straining.